They doing electrical to my home. They put new sockets in my home. Thanks to the crew, thanks to God for me being the chosen one.
I always love giving back. If I could dedicate some time to come out and help, make homes safe, I love to do it.
Simply lights has been out for years, and all of a sudden that light comes on.
I feel so grateful. I feel honored. They told me at first it was just 13 people coming out. I said, that's all? Then they said 20. I said, bring 50 if you want to.
We're doing electrical work, upgrading some outlets to GFIs, piping a new lighting system in their basement, making everything safe and hopefully a little more pretty.
Today, we are proud to celebrate Rebuilding Together, Metro Chicago's 35th National Rebuilding Day.
Yeah!
It's a blessing from God to be able to have the work done that needs to be done on my home.
Here with 134 and helping out homeowner Laverne with some electrical issues that she's had. A couple lights outside. We've got some GFIs we're doing for her. Just some basic stuff to keep her safe.
I feel absolutely fantastic. It's been a long time coming. I've been praying about it. They heard me, and boom.
There's nothing more rewarding feeling than actually spending the time. It's one thing to donate to a worthy cause. It's another thing to donate your time. Your leisure time on weekends is much more valuable than anything that you put in a checkbook.
For 35 years, this work has been more than just about repairs. It's been about dignity, stability, independence, and making sure our neighbors can remain safely in the homes that they love.
I got 6 guys, 7 including myself, and we're doing things from outlets to ceiling fans. They all spread out throughout the whole house.
I thank everyone. The electricians, they're absolutely marvelous. Everybody comes in here, they know what they're doing. They're very, very thorough, and they came to really help, and it shows, and I'm very grateful. The whole entire team is absolutely phenomenal.
This is an opportunity where we can celebrate with Rebuild Together, fixing some of those smaller issues and providing quality services and quality labor in our homes so that we can have a happier and healthier home.
Today we are replacing receptacles, a couple ceiling fans, GFCIs, making things a little bit safer in this house.
It's fantastic to go out and help those that are a bit less fortunate. And I know some of you have been doing this for 35 years. Some of you might be your first time.
This is my 4th year doing this. We've been rewiring some of the homes, fixing up the electric, putting in GFI.
As part of our efforts today, we are repairing over 60 homes in Austin and Maywood.
They're doing a wiring in the house, which was very, very much needed.
We're there to make them safe. That's our #1 priority. Remember, we try to do this in one day. We got one day to do it. So I know that we have the ability to do it. I know we have the skill, and I know we've been trained to do it.
I'm a 3rd-year apprentice for 134. This is my first time doing this. Yeah, just doing outlets, fixing stuff up for the people that need it.
Repairing homes is also about strengthening communities and preserving stability for longtime residents.
I feel very comfortable because they changing the locks, they putting on new doors, they putting in cameras in the gangway. I'm gonna feel safe because right now I'm here alone.
And it's an amazing gift to the communities that are helped, but also to those who volunteer. We meet beautiful people and work together with skilled trades to help people stay in their home.
We're giving back to our community, doing some electrical work to help some families who couldn't otherwise afford electricians.
I want to extend a heartfelt thank you to our unions. None of this would be possible without your leadership and partnership.
If you look around, you can see everyone smiling, having a good time, They're all happy to be here, helping out.
We are especially grateful for your amazing support, commitment, and enthusiasm throughout the years. We are equally proud and honored to celebrate this milestone with you, the IBEW Local 134 partner.
I want to thank Alderman Talaferro, Commissioner, Ms. Smith, and Rebuilding Together, all the local union partners, the electrician, the trades, the building, carpenters. We just thank all of you so much, volunteering and giving back. And we really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Thank you.
Oh, you got to give it a try once. At the end of the day, you feel good about it.
Thank you for joining us in celebrating another successful collaboration between Rebuilding Together Metro Chicago, and Cook County. I also want to thank the unions and the tradesmen who use their skills and expertise to help residents in Cook County, including laborers, electricians local 134.
Together, we aren't just repairing homes, we are rebuilding and restoring the place we call home.
You put yourself out there and give back a little. You give to the local, you give to the community, they give back to you.
Just join, just do it, just get out there. It's a good time.
Have a blessed day. Loving it. Loving it.
Thank you and do a great job. Be safe out there too, guys.
Thank you so much for the work you do today and for being part of our 35th National Rebuilding Together Day.